Hello everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I have a Dollar Tree haul and a small Walmart haul. And I thought I'd share these because I've never seen these at my Dollar Tree before. And I hope they work for what I have planned. They're these little plastic book bins, they're called. And they come in 4 different colors. So I got the yellow and like a teal and the pink and blue. I bought 2 of each color. And I hope it works for what I want. And that is to go in my white cubicle. I will, after I do it, I will take a picture and put it in Tina's Crafty Life so you can see if it works. Then, also, I love these envelopes. This time around, I got this set. Because the last time I picked up, and they didn't have any in, was like this. They didn't have any in this time. So I went with this one. I know it's a little bit smaller, but it also has the extra pocket on the outside. So I'm going to be moving my images. What my plan is to get a binder, which I have. And like I photocopied these today. Okay. So I'm going to hopefully fits. Oh no. Well, I can cut down because a lot of times I just don't want to cut immediately. But take all these little ones that I have already trimmed and put them in a bigger envelope. Alrighty. Did. So they're quite printer paper. I'm so bummed that I can't get that in there. But I bought 2 or 1 of each for that. For my intention. I will make it work though. And then kind of put them in a binder. And I can just go through the binder when I want them. You know? Like boom. And then boom. Okay, that was my intentions on that. So I picked them up. And also, what do I do with the bag? Oh, it's over here. I found this truck. I only had 1. I got lucky today. Because usually I don't find the truck stuff. And these were the last 3 in the whole store. And I gotta fix one already. Oh, it just came off. Okay. And this one. This is God Bless America. And then I got this one. That says welcome. A little bent up a little bit. I put them on my door. So I got them. Got the last 3. And that's my Dollar Tree haul. I told you it was small. Then I went to Walmart. I remembered the other day why what I wanted at Walmart. Okay. Oh. So I went down to clearance aisle and they had baby wipes for 25 cents a thing. I wish they had more than just 2 citrus fruit scent. So I grabbed 2 of them. Cleaning my pants, it don't matter. And then I got me some chain. Of course, I bought me my gears. I always pick them up. Bought this chain for a future project. I think I paid $5 for this whole spool. So I got that, and then I got them. And, of course, I always, no matter if I need it or not, I grab me cardstock. Because then I'm stocked up. And that is my big shopping haul. Woohoo! But I wanted to share the bins. I thought they're very sturdy. So I thought those were cool. They're not cheap. You know, like that cheap plastic sometimes you get. So I'm hoping that works for what I want to do. And if it does, regardless, I'll put a picture up in Tina's Crafty Life if you okay, so you can see. And as always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be fun, be crafty. Bye for now. Bye, everybody.